Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar and welcome back to my channel, My Our English. Today is day 14 of my 30-day English speaking challenge, and today I'm going to share with you about my mobile phone. My mobile phone is a good device for me. It's a Mobile phone is a communication device which is used to communicate between two persons with the help of mobile. We can do such a lot things like watching movies, watching videos, etc. And my mobile phone model is iQOO Z9s. It is faster, and my mobile phone has a good speed. That means performance is good. I love my mobile phone because I mostly spend my time with my mobile phone. First when I wake up, then I'll check my phone and notification and all that. And at night, I used to listen geopolitics news, and after that I slept. And between these duration, that means morning to night, I'll use my phone for watching movies, watching cartoons, watching English videos, practice English, and record myself for English speaking challenge. And my all video is recorded through only my mobile phone because I don't have right now a camera, so I record my video with my mobile phone. And that I think it is okay for now, because when I get fluency in English, then I can switch to other platform, like maybe try if I can afford. But right now I'm comfortable with my mobile phones, and I love my mobile phone. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching me. See you in day 15. Bye bye.